Okay, so before the video starts, I just want to say that this video is literally about a whole entire logo. That's right, an entire logo. Wait, hold on. Let me just. My God, bro, bro. I wanna hold on. All right, there we go. As I was saying, this video is literally reference of an entire logo. Yep, you heard me right, an entire logo. And it's an EAS scenario about Universal. And also, I improved the font, so it's better. Anyways, enjoy watching this masterpiece.
Message was transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not test. To repeat, this is not test. Our world is coming to a burning halt. At 2:33 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, NASA just discovered that giant text that reads Universal is orbiting Earth. When the text stops orbiting, the letters will crash into the Earth. When the text crashes into the Earth, giant tsunamis will form. Massive earthquakes of a Richter scale will form. And the sun will be locked for entire 50 years. There is no way we can stop the text. There is no way we can stop this situation. Go into the panic mode. If you are a fool, wait, what? Oh great, someone hijacked the siren with the Universal logo sound effect. As I was saying, may God be with you all. Oh great. First someone hijacked the siren with the Universal logo. And now someone hijacked the national anthem with the Universal logo as well. What an awkward cliche.
So, you might be wondering, why is the sirens and the national anthem hijacked by the Universal logo? Well, I just wanted to make it more universal themed. So I decided to replace the siren and the national anthem with the Universal logo. So it's more universal related. And anyways, guys, this scenario was great. After all 5 of my scenarios. I still haven't made a season 1 about it. Okay, how about, you know what? How about if the 10th episode starts season 1 of the EAS scenario season 1. Anyways, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Wait, hold on, guys. Wait, never mind.